आरओ के फिल्टर्स और ऑटोमेटिव पार्ट्स से जो कि कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव हैं और साथ में काम भी करते हैं. मेक इन इंडिया. आई मीन कॉन्वर्सेशन विद जावेद जीएस. ही इज अ पीएचडी. जावेद भाई, टेल मी, योर टीम इज वर्किंग ऑन दिस प्रोजेक्ट. You guys are developing cost-effective ventilators. Please explain the basic function of these ventilators.
Hi Tuhin, thank you for having me on the show. Let me talk about first Project Prana and tell you what the technology is later about. Project Prana is a voluntary prototype ventilator design effort by a group of engineers, primarily in the IAC. They are either the faculty members, alumni, or the current students working in various departments. The desired output of the project is actually a working prototype for which the design and specifications can be shared freely with as many manufacturers in India as possible on an open source basis. Mind you, this is a purely voluntary effort to help the nation in time of crisis.
All right. So इसमें आप लोकल ऑटोमेटिव पार्ट्स यूज करते हैं, आरओ फिल्टर्स के पास पार्ट्स यूज कर रहे हैं टू बिल्ड. व्हाट आर द अदर थिंग्स यू यूज इन द प्रोटोटाइप यू गाइस आर मेकिंग?
So, the key idea is to take pressurized mixture of medical grade oxygen and compressed air and mix it using food grade containers and tubing found in the reverse osmosis or the RO filters that are mass manufactured. The background electronics what we use is going to have a PLC or a programmable logic controller with a Raspberry Pi to control the pressure of air, its oxygen components and the flow characteristics. Now this air will be delivered to the patient and the system information will be delivered in a format that doctors and nurses are familiar with. So initially, the Project Prana is targeting non-invasive constant pressure or constant volume ventilation. But the system will be designed to support other modes if the crisis gets worse and if the regulatory approvals can be approved. So the three main aspects of the design that are being focused right now by the team are easy sourcing of components, quick manufacturability, and a simple use interface.
Well, I'm in conversation with Javed GS. He's a PhD और IAC साइंटिस्ट और स्टूडेंट्स मिलके बना रहे हैं वेंटिलेटर्स जो कि कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव भी हैं. मोर ऑन दैट कमिंग अप इन जस्ट व्हाइल. सुपर हिट्स 93.5 रेड एफएम बजाते रहो. और स्टूडेंट्स मिलके कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव वेंटिलेटर्स बना रहे हैं, ऑटोमेटिव पार्ट्स और आरओ फिल्टर के जो पार्ट्स होते हैं उनको मिला के. आई एम इन कॉन्वर्सेशन विद जावेद जीएस. ही इज अ पीएचडी एंड ही इज आल्सो वर्किंग ऑन दिस प्रोजेक्ट. जावेद भाई, टेल मी, व्हाट आर द चैलेंजेस यू आर फेसिंग in developing this and what would be the costing of the product and when can we expect a ventilator like this in the markets?
So Tuhin, like how we have all the production lines, all the design capability, one of the main challenges that we face as a product design group is that do sufficient supply of components, the sensors, tubing, masks, motors, pneumatic pumps, mixing gases, a lot of these. So what happens is we have to understand that as a main ingredient, and that is a constraint that is putting on us. Now these sensors that are used in typical good grade or a high-end ventilator, most of them come from abroad, and in this current lockdown situation, getting those components into the Indian market or sourcing them is not easy. So we had to look for components which are locally available and locally manufacturable if the need rises. So the critical components here would be the sensors like pressure gauges, pressure flow meters, pressure regulators, oxygen sensors, air sensors, carbon dioxide sensors. So these are all there. One of the main reasons we went for the automotive industries, they have some kind of sensors in the pressure side. They have carbon dioxide sensors where they have to monitor the engine activity, or in the exhaust system. The RO system has got the mixing gases. They have these. So these are the primary two industries we looked for to solve a problem. And these were the main challenges for us right in the beginning. And even now, if you look at it, the number of sensors available in the market that we could source are coming down. Next challenge for us is getting the regulatory help. Now this product, once it is used, you need a lot of regulatory help from the Indian medical body and the companies who can certify it. Last one is And probably one critical thing which many people don't understand is you need an ICU physician to vet your idea and says, yes, this is something I can use on and I don't have a risk in it. So I actually want to call out many people, especially in the medical community, the physicians, the ICU physicians, intensivists, people who are working with in the ICUs. We really want to reach out, and we would like you to allow us to test these things in your facilities, in your hospitals, in your medical centers, to see if we can really support. We understand that yes, this is not something there, but when the prototype gets to its stage where it can support, we would like you all us to support us in allowing this to be tested in the ICUs.
Well, yes, everybody is working really hard to support Indian citizens. Of course, make in India तो चाहिए ही चाहिए, क्योंकि we should not be dependent on others. और जब हिंदुस्तान काम करता है तो cost effectiveness होती है और पूरा का पूरा जुगाड़ एक प्रोजेक्ट बन जाता है. Thank you so much, Javed bhai, for talking to us and all the best for this project, Project Prana. Super Hits 93.5 Red FM. बजाते रहो.